This is a microprocessor based melting boiling point apparatus with 5 function keys: start, melt, heat gain, increment and decrement for heat gain setting. This knob is to control the light intensity, and this is to control the speed of the stirrer. This is the magnifying lens. This is the holder. 2 fans are there on both sides, which helps in cooling the beaker. At the back side of the instrument, this socket is for heater. This is for light connectivity. This is on off. This is a fuse. So this is a beaker. Insert heater into it. For the demonstration purpose, we are using benzoic acid. Its melting point is 122.12. This is a temperature probe. Connect into it and connect at the back side of the instrument. So just put the beaker into fill the silicone gel up to that level, and after that put the heater into it. For the demonstration purpose, we are using benzoic acid. So first of all, fill the capillary with the benzoic acid. Fill the capillary up to that much of mark. After that, put the capillary into the glass holder. After inserting the capillaries into the beaker, after that switch on the machine. Control the light intensity so that from the magnifying glass you can able to see the powder in the capillary. Adjust the light accordingly. It is very important that from the magnifying glass you can able to see the powder for which the melting point need to be tested. Control the speed of the stirrer. This is the current temperature. Adjust the stirrer speed. After that, press start button to start the process. Here heat gain is high. You can select low heat gain also. Continuously see from the magnifying glass whether the chemical starts melting or not. If the powder starts melting, then immediately press melt button. It starts melting. And we press the melting point. Once melting point found, these two fans starts operating. This helps in cooling the beaker faster. You can see the powder becomes liquid form.